Hey guys, my name is Scoby. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing of the Cullman 450 RW20. For this video we're only going to be looking at it, we're not really going to be doing a full review. I'm going to be looking at some of the core features of this tripod. I'll be doing a full review in the future once I get a little bit more acquainted with it. But the first thing we'll notice once we open the box is we do get a bag with this. It is a nice soft mesh bag. It's not like it's going to protect anything major, but it is a nice little addition with this tripod. Once we remove the plastic from it, we're going to be greeted with this tag around our tripod. It shows some features and shows what some of the little dials do on the tripod. In this case, I'm not really going to be looking at it. We're just going to be removing it, and we're going to get into the bulk of what this tripod can actually do. So looking at the tripod, it feels very sturdy in hand. It's a nice quality material, and all the clips and joints feel very strong on it. The rubber grip along the feet feel quite premium, and the tripod when it's standing like this is very solid. It doesn't feel like it's going to crack or break. There's no creaking sounds. Everything feels really solid within this tripod. Now, one nice feature about this tripod is the tripod head can actually be removed. To remove it, all you need to do is put a little bit of pressure and rotate to get the tripod head off it, which you can then easily replace with any aftermarket tripod head if you wish. In this case, this is exactly what I'm going to be using it for. I do plan to remove it and change it later on with my Youngtang tripod head. If you want to see that, I'm going to leave a card on screen. You can check that out. But the actual included tripod head on this is not that bad at all. Let's look a little bit deeper at this. So there's three main dials on this. The first one is the big handle, which you can turn and rotate to lock on a vertical axis. The second one is a little clip on the side, which you can change to change the orientation of the actual tripod plate. So if you want to shoot vertically down, or if you want to just shoot flat, you can change this. The next thing you have is the release plate for this tripod. There is a small blue safety switch in this to stop it being taken out accidentally, so that's really nice. And then finally we have this twisting dial that allows it to be spun in a 360-degree motion. This is quite smooth for the included head. I wasn't expecting too much from this. You're not going to be doing any crazy smooth shots with this, but if you're just using it for some photography or some basic videography, it should work just fine. And finally we have one more knob down underneath the tripod head, which we can twist open and use to extend the tripod head to give us a bit more height, or if it's fully extended we can change it also. Now, one more thing I do like about this tripod and the tripod head included is that there's 3 water spirit levels in this. There's one on the base tripod that's not on the head, and then we have 2 on the head, so you can really make sure your shot is completely level before shooting it. This is one thing I find really nice about this tripod. Now, one more thing this tripod can do that I enjoy is it can be disjointed on the legs. If we lift up our leg, close it to the full point, and pull out this little section here, and if we do this we can remove the joint and extend the tripod leg to where it's fully flat to get a nice low shot. This allows us to go much lower than it usually can. As you can see, it locks right here, but this allows you to go much lower and allows you to get much more creative with your shots, and it's just an extra nice feature with this tripod. Anyway guys, that's a quick unboxing of the Cullman 450 RW20. We're going to be doing a full review later on once I get some more use with this tripod. We'll be looking at some more of the features. I know there's a couple of extra things I can do with this that I didn't show in today's video that I wanted to keep for the full review. But anyway guys, we're going to be looking at that a little bit later. If you guys enjoyed this unboxing, be sure to drop a like, subscribe if you're new, check out the other videos on the channel. I'm going to be leaving a link down below to my PayPal and a link down below to the Amazon affiliate link for this product if you're interested to check it out. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. Until next time, as always, keep it saucy. Peace.